Hi, hello friends. This is Vialli Jacob, your motivational trainer and a coach. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much to all my subscribers. In the past 2 weeks, you have been so lovely and given me so many good comments and so many wonderful positive criticisms which is helping this channel grow. I hope that I'm also helping you grow, and that is why our channel is also growing. So thank you so much to my little YouTube family. I love you guys. And if you are watching this video without subscribing to my channel, please do hit the bell icon and do subscribe to this channel. We are on a mission to transform every youngster's mind, to transform people to become a better person in whatever they do. So without any further ado, let's jump into today's topic. Well, today's topic is all about unconditional love. What is love? Love is everything. Love is so beautiful. Love is relationship. Love is friendship. Love could be anything in any form, not just between humans. It's between animals. It's between trees. Love exists everywhere. Love is in the air, people, isn't it? Yes, love is such a beautiful thing that God has given us. And if you ask me how I define love as myself, because I have put into my mind every day that I am love. The moment I wake up, I say, I am love, I am happiness. This is what I say. And I thank God for being so kind and so loving to me and giving me this character of being lovely. Yes, I'm so happy and excited today because we're going to help people who are struggling with their relationship when it comes to not knowing how to love unconditionally. Or there are also some people who think loving unconditionally means doing this, doing that, buying material things and taking them on a big trip. No, 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 no. That is not unconditional love. Unconditional love is something else. So without any further ado, let's see what exactly is unconditional love and how to go about it. Most of us get confused when it comes to the difference between a crush and a lover, or an infatuation and a relationship or love. So the reason being that there are too many nonsense going around in media and on the television, which is provoking a lot of people to think that something that just sprung up from the air becomes love. No, not exactly. Love is something that you show when you understand that person completely, when you fall for that person completely. Yes, I do believe in love at first sight. It happens, but it is a very rare case scenario. But when it comes to loving someone, we need to understand them. Love is not just physical. Love is emotional, love is spiritual, and love is physical. Yes, if without these three combinations, love wouldn't exist. Love exists in all these three forms. But unfortunately, most of us take only physical love into consideration. Yes, we always tend to have physical love, and finally we end up ditching the other person and moving away. But when I mean physical love, what I meant is a gentle touch, holding your partner's hand, walking together, or sitting beside each other. Yes, sex is not the only thing about love. Sex is a part of your life. That's it. The next thing is loving emotionally. Yes, we should be emotionally connected with our partner. My girl and I, we both have a very nice sync when it comes to understanding each other. Yes, when there is a particular scenario which is about to arise, we wouldn't have even had a chance to speak about it, but in order to manage certain things in front of somebody, it automatically clings to us, and we both play a very good role in understanding and playing that scenario really well in front of someone who is already there. That is just one small scenario that I gave you, but in fact, when you are emotionally connected, a lot of things tends to get easier, and you tend to make things better in your life, especially when it comes to married life. So being emotionally connected means a lot. And it is not just about managing situations or analyzing what is happening, but it also means how good you are when it comes to understanding your partner's character, how good you are when it comes to understanding what your partner feels, how your partner feels. So when you have all these ingredients when it comes to emotional connect, automatically your relationship will grow abundantly. And the third thing is growing spiritually. Yes, yeah, of course, some people are not spiritual, some are spiritual. What I mean here spiritually is that we have to have a connect with the supreme power. There is a supreme power that exists and which makes life what it is today for us. Without that supreme power, none of the atoms would have been created. So with that being said, a spiritual connect, a connect to the supreme power will definitely improve your relationship to the fullest. Having said these things, I would like to bring about a few points with regards to loving unconditionally. Most of the people have common complaints when it comes to a couple. Yes, they say that she never listens to me, he never listens to me, he is always spending money, she is always so stingy, and she takes so much time to get ready, blah 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 blah, a lot of things. Let me give you a small image as to how a man's brain and a woman's brain look. Yes, a man's brain functions in a way with small boxes, and each box is connected to one particular event and one particular emotion. That's it, crystal clear. And a woman's brain is like a haywire. It is totally interconnected, and what happens here is every situation and everything is totally interconnected, and that's why we feel that, oh my god, my wife, she just thinks about something that has happened in the 1940s and she's coming and asking me now, whereas a man forgets it then and there. Well, what I'm trying to say here is that it doesn't mean that a woman's mind is complex and a man's mind is simple. No, never. Here what I'm trying to say is that a complex mind and a simple mind, when it comes together, it could help, in fact complement each other in a very positive way to develop the relationship. How can that be done? Is by paying heed to what the other person says and to understand the logic and the emotions behind it, without which we could do nothing to grow our relationship. Yes, my dear friends, on a serious note, we find today a lot of divorce cases which are happening. Yes, they get married, 3 months divorce, 6 months divorce, or maybe after having a child they want to have a divorce. What is the need for separation? It is so many years of love life. Say people fall in love for 6 years, they are in a relationship, they enjoy themselves, and then after marrying that person, they tend to get separated from them within a year. How is that possible? Does that mean that you are not ready for a marriage? If you are not ready for a marriage, then you were not ready for a relationship at all. Yes, you need to get to know somebody to the fullest and understand them to the fullest, and then start your relationship, and then start your married life, and then have a child, so that your life will be moving at a very beautiful pace and with so much of love and affection. That, my dear friends, is unconditional love. Unconditional love is not to leave your partner ever, 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 ever from your life. Yes, your partner is a part of you. Two souls becomes one. Somebody, when they come and tell you that my wife is this, my husband is like that, blah blah blah, he's cheating on me, she's cheating on me, well, do not believe them. Instead, show them that you know your wife, you know your husband. Go and speak it out to your husband, speak it out to your wives, talk to your girlfriend, talk to your boyfriend, talk things about what is happening in their lives. Try to get information, try to understand them, try to see the reason behind their action. When you see that, definitely you will be able to have an aerial view of what is happening, so that you would be able to find a solution for it and make things better, because we are marrying to be with that person forever and not to fight over it and win an argument. Winning an argument will never help you win in your life, because you would go to any extent to win that argument, and when it comes to married life, it becomes divorce. So divorce is not the solution. Loving abundantly, understanding your husbands and wives, understanding your girlfriend, your boyfriend, learning to embrace their beauty, both physical and inner beauty. Look into their inner beauty, and all their physical beauty would be 100 times more than what you see. Never ever give up on your partner. Always stand by them, be with them, love them unconditionally. Never bother about what other people think about you. Bother about your life, your part in their life, and bother about how things could be made better in your life. I hope this video was helpful for a lot of youngsters, and especially a lot of young and newly married couple. With this thought, I hope that you would start to love abundantly and you would start to make a change in your married life. With this thought, this is VJ signing off. Love you.